This is something I invented for the Bugsnax community. And how frog clip works is if you throw it just right, you have to run jump backwards while you throw the frog, and then... It's Saturday! Welcome to Hamfreeze. We're live, and boy did I have a Saturday. Time is really just segments of time, compartmentalized by your brain. Thank you, Graham Croter, for the 14 months. It's been a year for this man. Subscribe for 14 months. Incredible work, Game Quoter. Thank you. Time is just segments of moments your brain has compartmentalized into and recategorized in order for you to stay physically sane, mentally sane, and physically fit. I'm high energy, I'm high octane, I'm ready to play the video game. What's the video game? Picco Pictures Contest. Why am I doing that? Because everyone loved Picco, the Picco talk we had on Thursday. We did a lot of chatting and considerations in terms of what is Picco and why do we love it? This is my second package of Hot Fudge Sundae Pop-Tart tonight. Like, I opened a pack not 5 minutes ago. Here's the old pack. Two Pop-Tarts just doesn't do it anymore. You can't get me out of bed for less than 3 Pop-Tarts. But since you have to open a new pack, you have to eat the fourth one. Today's Saturday stream is basically another Thursday stream. We're going to be doing coding because I have to fix Picco. Oh man, this uses the old ES chat. Oh, that's so sad. Which one's better? White on the right, white on the left? This is what we call Fish Center Live. The great part is I can turn this part way down. I can make this much shorter. Because the Twitch lag is so much shorter than the AdultSwim lag was. Okay, it's broken. Here's the thing. I have old man brain already. I am not learning anything more about coding. All of my elastic brain tissue has calcified. All the knowledge that I've absorbed about coding, that's the way I do it now. And there's no way to change it.
God, what a bop. I love this song so much. You can hear it? Sorry. What? Why not?
Picco Pictures Contest.
Bird, horse. 2 bad tastes that taste bad together. If I combine these and then add that, that'll be 9. If I do this, it'll be 6 plus 3. It's 9 no matter what you do. Big bird with a buy sell going. We get a big bird buy sell? And a beaver. Fortune cookie. Hyena. Baby. I still haven't been to Greenbird's apartment. I should go there. Make sure she's not living in a wooden hole like I am. Tina, Fran, Dave, AJ, Mahamar have been guests so far. That's crazy. When did Dave get there? I don't think I've ever gotten Dave anywhere that I wanted him to be. Oh, I forgot that I built in cheating into this program. The channel name is Hamfreeze, right? No.
How to play.
I don't understand.
See the pictures.
Okay, it still isn't working, but it's showing votes started, which means what it says? It says you can see. Look! People are voting. KP Senti's voting a lot.
Finish.
Excellent. Voting is working. We are like 90%. I forget how all of this works. It's like relearning how to tie your shoes, but the shoes are in a different language. Do you see this? This is the play date. It's a little baby toy. It's just like a Game Boy, but different. I'm gonna try and figure out how to stream it, and then we'll play some play date. Oh, there's only 2 games on it right now. It has games. I worked at AdultSwim for a little bit, and the naming convention of all of the servers were famous robots. Yes. Yes. Nope. This means that the something. Oh yeah, I was trying to, in the later version of this, I was trying to make an infinite Picco. I don't think I ever finished it.
Which is best?
We got images, folks! It would be very funny if we did with TikTok what we did with YouTube.
Calculating.
At Adult Swim, where everyone was voting on YouTube. Everyone. And it didn't count it at all. And they always were like, what the heck? Honestly, this is super embarrassing. I didn't do that as a joke. I just don't know how to spell good. I think either Matt corrected it or like Lauren said at one point, like, oh, it's funny that you spelt that wrong. And I was like, yeah, really funny that I did that on purpose. Let's be honest, I was very good at picking music. It's Picco contest and we're rocking out. We gotta find out who's gonna win the Picco contest. Who is the best pictures around? Picco, Picco, Picco. It's Picco Picco contest. It's me, I got good pictures for you. Let me show you one that I made in my Photoshop. Picture Picco contest scheme. You can win a video game tonight. It's a t-shirt winning contest if you're smart enough. It's a social media video game. Everyone can participate. When I was looking for this music, I was looking for something adjacent to like the Wii shopping channel or whatever. It's like music that you never get sick of, you know? Like it can loop, you can just leave it on loop in the background and it's always a bop. You're just happy, you know? You just keep bopping. Guys, you would be so proud of me today. I installed a garage door opener. Lauren basically was like, if I don't have a garage door opener, it's a problem. I do want to say that the idea is Harrigan's. The implementation was me. I did not come up with the nugget, but the rest of this is basically completely my creation. The aesthetic, the technology, and if Picco becomes ridiculously popular and Matt Harrigan gives me a text message and says, hey man, I see you're running Picco. I want a piece of that. I would absolutely be like, yeah, man, of course. Now, if Adult Swim tries to come at me and say, hey, this is actually our IP, I don't know. Worst case scenario, all I would have to do is change the name. I think Picco is taking over all of my tech streams for the next couple months. There's a fire inside of me. Maybe it'll diminish, but I might start spending a little time cranking away at Picco to get it going.